everybody, welcome to Sharon from Vivid Days. Today I'm going to be showing you how I seal my acrylic painting using resin. The great thing about using resin, it brings the dullness back to a bright vibrancy and makes the colours really pop, and it just adds a different, I just think a different level. It just really makes it look more professional. What I have done is I have levelled my board. I've got cups to hold them, but I've covered them in cling film so that if resin drips on it, you can use them over and over again. I have measured my resin, which is Amazing Clear Cast, and I've got 128 mils, well 130, and I have just mixed that for 3 minutes, which is 1 part hardener, 1 part resin. I've got my gloves on, I'm wearing a mask, I have my blowtorch to remove bubbles, and all we need now is just to apply it, level it out, get rid of the bubbles, and then put a cover over it to protect it, and that will be hard to touch in 4 hours, but it's not fully cured until 24-48 hours. So let's get on with this. So I always apply in the middle and then work my way out. No rhyme or reason, it's just the way I like to do it, just distributing that resin. And you just need to make sure it does touch everywhere, and you just smooth out your resin to the edges. You can use your fingers when you've got your gloves on, or you can use a spatula. Because it's only a small piece, I'm just going to use the spatula, because resin is sticky but fun. If it was a big piece to help with time, I would use my fingers. Now I don't know if you can see on the video, but this has added a lot more richness to the colours already. You almost get to see what it instantly looks like. I can see a load of bubbles, which we knew we'd have, and that's what the heat gun's going to do. Just want to make sure it works over the edge just slightly, not a lot, but I just want to make sure it doesn't pool too much in the middle. And you'll start to see little craters where your resin doesn't want to stick, and you just have to encourage it to go there by keep wiping over, and it will stick, and it is self-leveling, so you don't need to be too stressed by that. Okay, that looks like we've got resin touching everywhere. So what I normally do now is wipe my gloves, but these one I put fresh on before I use my torch, because I don't want to get it sticky. Having said that, I did promise I would do it because I keep ruining my gloves. Pulling out those bubbles, I can see where the top corner there and the resin's pulling away from, so I'll just keep working that for a little bit. So all the bubbles have gone from the top, now the bottom. Okay, always moving it backwards and forwards because you don't want to burn that resin. So I am going to do what we call babysitting for a little while now, making sure that there's no dust particles getting in there, which you can see already there is. Picking those out, and then I will cover it with a box just to protect it from any more dust particles. And there we have it. Job's a good one. Your artwork looks even more vibrant, and it just adds a professional touch. So resin really does add a lot more value to your acrylic painting. Just bringing that colour back to the forefront, making it pop, definitely makes it look more professional. It's simple to put on. You just need to make sure you do babysit, and these dust particles you keep removing. But I'm going to put a lid on that now. Job's a good one. So if you like my art, thumbs up, subscribe and share. Comments are always welcome because I love to interact with you, and I'd love to know what resin paintings or acrylic paintings you've covered in resin. Alright, have a lovely day. Bye! hope you enjoy the colours and I will take some photos for you.